This is Anthony Bulone. He was my mentor for mold making, worked with me on sculpture at Axtel Expressions. This is me with him, probably I was 24, here at his studio, holding the hand of our amazing chimpanzee that he made the molds for. He worked with me in a lot of projects. Tony was the sculptor of the first Barbie doll, and also the maker of the Little Green Army Men and lots of the Revell Model Kits that he had. And Tony died earlier this year, and I made a bust of Tony for the family, and I'm going to open it for the first time here. This is I sculpted out of clay, and this is a silicone mold that I made. Over the clay. Looks like I've got a little damage right here. Or maybe he had that bump in his hat. Hey, I had no bump in my hat. What are you talking about? Come on! All right, sorry Tony, I'll fix that. It turned out pretty good. We'll finish it off, put a base on it, and man, I miss this guy.
None?